That's why you can sleep as long as you stay. So you won't go sleep on the other day,
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cardiff. The local time is just approaching 12:30 in the afternoon. Please stay in your seat with your seatbelt tightly fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please be careful when you open the overhead locker in case the bag falls out. Smoking is not permitted and mobile phones should remain switched off. And finally, please check the area around you and above you to ensure you haven't left anything behind. If you require further assistance, help will be available inside the terminal building. On behalf of the crew and the captain, we thank you for flying with Thomas Cook Airlines and we hope you have a safe journey home. Thank you.